Bob Iger net worth 2024. Who is Bob Iger? Robert Allen Iger is an American media business executive who serves as the chief executive officer of the Walt Disney Company. Bob Iger career. Bob Iger was born February 10, 1951 to a Jewish family in New York City. He is the oldest son of Mimi Iger and Arthur L. Iger. His father was a World War II Navy veteran who was the executive vice president and general manager of Greenbell Marketing Corporation and was also a professor of advertising and public relations. His mother worked at Boardman Junior High School in Oceanside, New York. He was raised in Oceanside, where he attended the Fulton Avenue School and graduated from Oceanside High School in 1969. In 1973, he graduated magna cum laude from the Roy H. Park School of Communications at Ithaca College with a Bachelor of Science degree in television and radio. Bob Iger began his media career in 1972 as the host of Campus Probe in Ithaca College television show. He dreamed of becoming a news anchor while he worked as a weatherman in Ithaca for 5 months before shifting his career goals in 1974. Iger joined the American Broadcasting Company (ABC). His first job was performing manual labor on television sets for $150 a week, over $700 adjusted for inflation. In 1988, Iger served as the senior program executive for the Calgary Winter Olympics. In 1989, he was named head of ABC Entertainment green lighting show such as Twin Peaks, America's Funniest Home Videos, and Cop Rock. He previously served as the president of American Broadcasting Company (ABC) between 1994 and 1995 and as president and chief operating officer of Capital Cities ABC from 1995 until its acquisition by Disney in 1996. Iger was named president of Disney in 2000 and succeeded Michael Eisner as CEO in 2005 until his contract expired in 2020. He then served as executive chairman until his retirement from the company on December 31, 2021. After his exit from the company, Iger served at the company request as an advisor to his successor. Iger was awarded $2 million per year for such advice. However, at the request of Disney Board of Directors, Iger returned to Disney as CEO on November 20, 2022, following the unscheduled and immediate dismissal of his appointed successor Bob Chapek in July 2023. Disney renewed Iger contract until 2026. Bob Iger personal life. Bob Iger has been married twice. His first marriage to Kathleen Susan Iger ended in divorce. They have 2 daughters. In 1995, Iger married journalist Willow Bay in an interfaith Jewish and Roman Catholic service and Bridgehampton, New York. Bob Iger net worth 2024. According to online sources, Bob Iger net worth is estimated to be $380 million.
Thanks for watching this video. I request to you do like, share and subscribe.